we're ready. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Now this is gonna free flow at 200 PSI, but we can change this by hitting the mode button.
Here we go.
Now we're set to car, so this is just gonna automatically go to 36 and then stop. Put this on. Hit the power button again. It's gonna blow this tire up. Alright, well, just about 13 minutes for it to get 36 pounds of pressure in this tire. That was from nothing all the way to 36. I need to do a better job at reading this meter. It was actually full. Now it's